go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is, folks. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It's Drysdale. And spotlight just and we are out here on Lake Oconee with into the Ogletree.
Tree. Just call me Tree.
Just call him Tree.
Just call him Tree.
That's the man that's responsible for this new net of mine, folks.
And you know, if you've seen the old one, you understand.
You know, we know that old one was raggedy because it matched me. I'm raggedy and I often don't care. We're gonna see if it is windy today. What are we doing? What's the day's agenda?
Today's agenda is catching big Shirleys.
So this is going to be called the Big Shirley Invitational because the man done got bougie on me all of a sudden. I had to make him start keeping 11-inch fish.
And this the first one.
So folks, hey, as always, I thank you all for watching. Thanks for everybody who hits the like button, everybody who leaves those comments, and everybody who shares this channel. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale.
Let's go get them.
That one was too small for a tree.
Yeah, we big Shirley hunter today.
Got him down deep too. Told you it's gonna be a feast of famine down there.
Man, we want you. You're too little. Get back.
Come here, girl. I'm gonna get catfish. It's not a catfish, it's a big catfish. Oh shoot, where's the net?
Oh Lord. What? They go Crappie.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm good in that, man.
I won't go that far. It took you long enough to get it.
I had to find it first.
Pound and a half, easy. She gonna make the cut. Let it go.
If I stand long enough, you gonna take it. She gonna make the cut, ladies and gentlemen.
She's making an awful lot of noise in that bucket. Oh! What it feel like?
Good day. Good. I didn't mean to. I really didn't mean to. Oh, look at the little lagoon. Come back in that water. Send your brother back up here. The big one. I did.
Send Big Mama up here.
Send Big Mama back up here. Come get.
fire. Ooh, bruh. I need to drink me some water. I'm hungry. Big and Junior Shirley. How about that?
Yeah.
Junior Shirley.
Oh, supposed to come up tomorrow, right? They won't go to Lake down and eat it. But down here, it's about 15 minutes away. And my cousin called me. Don't know what him called 3 times. My cousin. I ain't supposed to come eat it.
Said rain what?
I ain't supposed to come in rain all day.
I said this rain supposed to be here this afternoon and be over with by night.
I saw you come get. You should have never came. Get on back in there. See, if I was get.
If you was on the meat front, it'd be a different story.
Yeah.
I seen him come and hit it. I did not set the hook though, but I be telling people all the time. Might not feel anything, set the hook. Shirley Invitational.
Big Shirley empty.
Yes, sir. Look at the baby, folks. Look at the baby. Ain't she cute? Ain't she cute, folks? Ain't she cute?
He don't like him. He don't want you. Folks, this is not what we want. She's too small.
Although, that's how I get that practice with that to be the little fish champion in my tournament. You gotta be able to feel them. Why? 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 You got careless. You got reckless right there, buddy. Didn't know I had security cameras on. She tried to shoplift. Security cameras all over the place. She juvie. Now we're gonna report you to your parents. Don't come back in here no more. Bound to happen. I got to do my shimmy. In fact, speaking of my shimmies, oh man, I can't remember the guy's name that was on my YouTube channel. They left a comment, said that their kids were practicing their shimmies. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give you a shimmy lesson. So shimmy goes forward shimmy, backwards shimmy, forward shimmy, and a backwards shimmy. That's a shimmy lesson. So thanks for, I can't remember the guy's name, but I'm gonna probably, I don't know, if you watch this video, you know who you are. Give me a comment, tell me, you know, hey. Thanks for watching. Your 12-year-old son is an OKC fan. So that's, I remember that comment. Thank you for watching. I seen him come up and get you. I saw him come and hit you. I ain't gonna let him bully you though, Tree. I ain't gonna let him bully you. They ain't getting away with that. No, man. I'm not gonna let them. Not on my boat. Not on my boat. Little kids. Get on out of here now, kid. Get them off the line. Yep. Yep. See, they're chasing me. Oh, she gonna make it. Yeah, that's a shit. Oh my God, Chris. Hard-headed. Hard-headed. I made it work though. Welcome to the boat, Big Shirley. Big Shirley. How did you get the nickname Big?
You follow me out of there, and you gonna take it.
Here you go, Big Shirley. And by the way, where'd you get the nickname Big?
No, you didn't.
Hey, baby. Baby. Hey, baby. Daddy love you, baby. Daddy love you, Big Shirley. Oh, he does? Don't let him bully me, man. Don't let him bully me.
I get it.
Don't let him bully the tree. I'm gonna use the net anyway. Put the net up under. I'm just gonna put the net in the water. Look at that.
I get it, but you gotta take that.
They up here trying to bully me. Push.
He ain't gotta take that. Yeah, come on. He ain't gotta take that. I get it for him.
Please, sir.
Oh, shit. I didn't need you right there.
I flipped it. But we need to have it ready. Yes, sir. She came out the top to get it too. Come on. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Look at that, folks. Look at that. That's another Big Shirley. Man say he Big Shirley hunting today.
That's what we do.
Oh, look at that thing. That joke came up.
Oh, shoot me.
I'm looking at one that just came and hit me like a, jumped up at me like a torpedo. Net please, sir. Net please, sir. Net please, sir. Net please, sir.
What do we do with it?
Shoot. Oh, I'm swinging. I'm swinging. I'm taking chances. I'm taking chances.
I put it close, but it ain't close enough.
That big joker moved towards you. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. You can't hit me right out of it, too. This what we hunting for, folks. Big And that's all we got so far.
And that's all we got. when I go do all that stuff, I forget to put the spot lock on.
I knew I'd get you sooner or later. Kept playing with me.
Say, playing with you. This ain't no game.
Oh, she ain't no big Shirley, so you know what?
She gonna make 11 inches? Nah.
Nah. Ah.
There we go. That's a nice quarter. A nice quarter piece there, Tree. That's a nice quarter piece.
I couldn't deal without you, bro.
Hey, folks, that is going to wrap it up for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Y'all can see that Tree and me put a hurting on these things. Man, put a hurting on these things. He is holding now. So, in the intro, we talked about this being a Big Shirley Invitational. So, you go ahead and tell the people what this was about.
Well, see, it was all about Big Shirley today. Anything under 10 inches, we threw back.
Under 10?
Well, 9.
Under 11?
Under 11. Well, under 11.
I was going to say, the bucket is 11 inches.
Well, under 11, we threw back.
Now,
I tried to, I tried to throw them back too.
Yeah, he was real bougie today, folks. He was real bougie. I'm like, man, that fish 11 inches. And he like, is it? I'm like, yeah, 11 inches. We keeping him. So, folks, great day on the water. Always appreciate you going out with me, bruh.
Yes, sir.
So, as always, I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves these comments. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Fishing with Tree.
Fishing with Tree.
YouTube. There you go. Check him out.
Check us out, though.
Fishing with Tree. Catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie.
Yeah.
So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Peace. Y'all get y'all some. Get y'all some.
Yeah.